Hello viewers, welcome to our maths lesson. So today I have a very interesting maths question here. So we have 6 to the power of k plus 6 to the power of k is equals to 120. So we are asked to solve the value of k. So we want to solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So if you know how to solve this, please give us your answers on the comments section. So let's begin with the solution. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So on our maths problem, we have 6 to the power of k plus 6 to the power of k is equals to 120. So the first thing that you're going to do, we're going to factorize the 6 to the power of k plus 6 to the power of k. So this one can also be written as 6 to the power of k, then close the bracket, 1 plus 1, then from there is equals to 120. So we need to work out the number inside the bracket. So now we shall have 6 to the power of k, then from there inside the bracket 1 plus 1 is 2, so we close the bracket is equals to 120. So from there we need to have only 6 to the power of k on this other side. So we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2. So we shall divide this side by 2, this side by 2. So now we shall have 6 to the power of k here is equals to, so when we cancel this one, now we shall have 60, so is equals to 60. So since we have the base of 6, it shall be difficult for us to express this 60 to the base of 60. Now, so what we are going to do, we shall introduce the logarithms and say now, here now we shall have the log of 6 to the power of k is equals to the log of 60. Now, so the log of 6 to the power of k can also be written as k log 6 is equals to the log of 60. Now, so now we can easily find the value of k on this other side by dividing both sides by the log of 6 all over the log of 6, so that this one and this one shall cancel. So now we shall remain with k is equals to the log of 60 all over the log of 6. So we are not supposed to leave our answer at this particular point. We can still go further and work it out. Most of us make a mistake of leaving the answers this other side. You can still factorize it further and say that now k is equals to the log of 60 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 10. So this one you can put inside the bracket all over the log of 6. So when we proceed, we shall say that now that k is equals to, so the log of, we can now separate it, the log of 6 divided by the log of 6 here. Then our sign shall change according to the law of indices. So the multiplication sign shall change to addition. So plus the log of 10 all over the log of 6. So this one and this one shall cancel. So now our k is equals to, so we shall have 1 plus the log of 10 all over, so all over the log of 6. So we shall still proceed and say that, so we can still simplify this one, the log of 10, further and say now that k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 10 can also be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 5, then we close the bracket all over the log of 6. So our k now is equals to 1 plus, so we can split it, the log of 2 all over the log of 6. Then the sign shall change to addition plus the log of 5 all over the log of 6. So our final answer, we can now say now that our k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 2 all over the log of 6 can also be written as the log of 2 to base 6. Then plus, this one can also be written as the log of 5 to base 6. So this one now shall be our value for k. So from here now we can confirm if our answer was right. So let's check if the answer was right. So we had 6 to the power of k, then plus 6 to the power of k is equals to 120. So what we are going to do, so where there is k, we are replacing it with the answer that you've got. So now we can say now 6 then to the power of 1 plus the log of 2 to base 6, then plus the log of 5 to base 6. So plus again here 6 again to the power of 1, okay, plus the log of 2 to base 6, then plus the log of 5 to base 6 is equals to 120. Now, so let's work out this. So we all know that if in case now we know that if in case we are given something like this, the log of b to base c, this one shall also be written as b. The answer for this shall be b. So that means that, so when we have 6 to the power of 1, so 6 to the power of 1 is 6, means that you multiply 6 times 1. Then according to the law of indices, the addition sign shall change to the multiplication sign, so multiply by. So the log of 2 to base 6 is equivalent to what we have written here. So these ones shall cancel. Then now we shall have multiply by 2. Then here we shall still have the addition sign. So according to the law of indices, so this is equivalent to this. So now we shall have 5. So times 5. Then plus, so similar, we shall have 6 multiplied by 2 times 5 is equals to 120. So 6 times 5, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. So now we shall have 60 plus 60 is equals to 120. Now, so from here now we shall say 60 plus 60 is 120 is equals to 120. So meaning that the answer that we got was right when we finally said that k here, so k is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 to base 6, then plus the log of 5 to base 6. So if you really found this one when you're working out, thumbs up, you know how to work it out. So if you didn't find out, I now know you know how to do it. So please, if you find this our video very helpful, please just remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, share the video so that you can reach to more number of people. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.